everyone. Can you solve the given expression in 30 seconds? No? Okay. I am going to explain how to solve the given expression within a 30 seconds. This type of questions asked in many competitive exams like bank PO, CAT, MAT, G.M.A.T, railway recruitments, etc. If you are taking such type of competitive exams, you have to know how to solve questions quickly. So let's start. Simplify 967 plus 791 whole square minus 967 minus 791 whole square upon 967 into 791. This expression we can solve within a 30 second. How? Let's see. Let A equal to 967 and B equal to 791. So this given expression, this is equal to A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square upon A into B, and A plus B whole square minus A minus B whole square equal to 4AB upon AB, and AB cancel out and we have 4. So this is equal to 4 and 4 is our answer. So we can easily solve within a 30 second. I hope you enjoyed my video. Feel free to suggest any topic that you want me to discuss. If you like my videos, make sure to subscribe my channel right now. Thank you for your support.